Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are checking out Kapoos Cafe in HSR Layout, Bengaluru. If you are looking for a relaxed place to enjoy some hearty Punjabi and North Indian vegetarian food in a fun atmosphere, you are in for a treat. Let's go inside and see what this place is all about. So Kapoos Cafe is located at 27th Main Road, Sector 2 of HSR Layout, Bangalore. What is interesting here is the layout. It's a two-story space. One floor has a standard table and chair seating, and the upstairs there is a dhaba style seating area with charpais and rural Punjabi inspired decor. The place is vegetarian only, which is great if you want a purely veg North Indian meal. In terms of vibe, casual, welcoming, colorful, perfect for a meal with friends or family. Now let's talk about food. And there is plenty to talk about here. The menu leans heavily into Punjabi North Indian vegetarian dishes. Some highlights here. Their parathas. Onion lachha paratha, aloo choor choor paratha, these are popular. Classic mains like dal makhani, pindi chole, paneer labab dal, paneer butter masala. One thing that really stands out, their dry fruit lassi, served in a big earthen glass, and also their chas, very refreshing. There are combos and thalis, which give you a good sampling. If you are wondering about pricing, it's fairly reasonable for the food and portion size. According to one menu listing, the cost for two is somewhere around 800 rupees, in that ballpark figure of North Indian veg food. Just for suggestion, if you come here, you can start with a dry fruit lassi or chas. It's a great opener. Go for something hearty like a paneer butter masala or pindi chole along with dal makhani. Pair it with missi roti or fulka, maybe even onion lachha paratha if you want something indulgent. Don't miss the fruit cream dessert to finish off. While the service is generally good, some reviews mention things like inconsistent cleanliness and slightly slow service at times. Since it's a purely vegetarian, it's a good choice if you prefer veg only meals. If you live or work around HSR Layout or nearby suburbs and want a solid veg North Indian meal, and if you are with family or friends and want a comfortable, vibrant place to chill and eat, you can come here and enjoy Punjabi food, thick rotis, full flavored gravies and fun sitting. Kapoos Cafe in HSR Layout ticks a lot of boxes. Good food, interesting ambience, vegetarian only, and a fun twist with dhaba style upstairs. If you have not tried it yet, I would say give it a go. And if you have been here, go back and try something new of their menu. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next place we explore.